Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This video I will show you how to make vehicle accident claim in ACIG insurance in Saudi Arabia. It's very easy. Before claim, you have to keep your vehicle accident report and vehicle takdir estimation report. Third one is accident vehicle registration. Fourth one is bank IBAN letter. Okay friends, link in description. Just click the link. This is the ACIG insurance website link. Click claim first. After that, click third party insurance or comprehensive insurance. Okay, so we are third party insurance claim, so we click third party insurance. After that, click English. Okay, here we have to start our claim. Okay, our our vehicle is our accident vehicle is company vehicle, so we are selecting corporate. Okay, click here unified number. Corporate vehicle, you will find your vehicle registration, you will find owner ID start from 70. Okay, I entered. After that, owner ID number. Okay, our vehicle owner ID number, Saudi ID number we have to enter. After that, owner mobile number we have to enter. Okay friends, after that click continue. Now owner or representative, they will receive OTP. Okay, we have to enter OTP to confirm. Enter OTP, click verify. Once they verify, now claim process will start. Okay, now here we have to enter damage type vehicle damage. Okay friends, after that you have accident report, Najim report or traffic murur. So our accident survived by Najim, so I entered Najim and accident number, Najim accident number. Okay, it will start from RD. Okay, if murur means it will start from 600. Estimated by, we have takdir estimation report, so I select takdir and select takdir number. You will find it in your takdir report, start from DA. Okay friends, after that sequence number, you can find your accident vehicle registration. Okay, I entered. Okay, after entering sequence number, we have to enter our IBAN number. This is company vehicle, so we have to enter company IBAN number. Okay, I entered sequence number. After that, bank information, we have to enter IBAN account number. If company means company bank IBAN account number, or if personal vehicle, individual account IBAN number we have to enter, because the claim amount it will come to our bank account. Okay, so I entered our company bank account number, IBAN account number. After that, we have to attach the document. So we have to attach takdir report, estimation report. Okay friends, I attached. After that, we have to click submit claim request. Once we click submit claim request, this is terms and condition, we have to accept. Once we accept, it will take 10 to 15 seconds to approve our request. Okay, so just wait. See, your claim request has been successfully received. Okay friends, if you have any doubt, ask me in comment section. I will reply you. Please support and subscribe my channel. Please share to your friends. Please check my other videos. Thank you.